All right, rain showers heavy at times in the Fresno area. Now, this isn't a big outbreak of any kind, but there are little pockets of storms here, so that's an indication that the air is a little unstable, meaning that the cold air is moving in on top of the warm air. The cold air is aloft up in the atmosphere, and we're seeing a few storms pop up here, and the system driving this is going to drift south right on top of us. So maybe we get a little thunder overnight. That'd be kind of cool. We're not expecting severe weather. It's not that kind of an event. 62, winds are north at 17 miles per hour. 60s in Porterville, upper 50s for Port Taft. Look at that, 44 Pine Mountain Club, 48 in Tehachapi, and 61 at Lake Isabella. So we're cooler than last night at this time. All locations are about 7 to 8 degrees down from last night at this time, so you know the cold air is coming. And it was a cool day today, 78. The 81 is the average for this time of year. 75, Porterville was the high, mid to upper 70s across the area. Lake Isabella got to 72, the hot spot. Ridgecrest at 83 at the extreme reaches to the east. So here's the low, and it's going to just move right on through. And as it does, that's when the rain chances arrive. We're not going to get a lot of rain, maybe a tenth here or there. But if you get a thunderstorm on top of your yard, it'll wake you up, and you might get half an inch. But it's a long shot, okay? Future radar, our computer model, not that excited about it. And most models are not that we look at to pass the weather on to you. So we're going to go with a 50-50 shot of something falling from the sky overnight. So here's the zoomed in Kern County version, and you can see that it's a hit and miss proposition. Better chances to Tehachapi and up at Lake Isabella. Wind speeds, they will be with us all night long, 15 to 20 miles per hour. Very gusty in the mountains and deserts, probably 30, 40, maybe even 50 miles per hour. So keep that in mind. Are you traveling to San Francisco? Maybe a sprinkle in the morning, 64. 70, a shot at rain in Fresno like there is now, and 55 for Yosemite on the valley floor. And remember, leave your drone at home. 72 Santa Barbara, 62 Pismo Beach, and upper 50s for Morro Bay. Further south, LA to Disneyland, not bad, 68 to 70. Cloudy, maybe a sprinkle, but not a big deal. San Diego goes to 67. For us, upper 60s to 70. Northwest winds, though, tomorrow at 15 to 20 miles per hour as the low moves on through. And windier in the mountains and deserts, 25 to 35 miles per hour here. Lake Isabella only goes to 58, and Tehachapi only gets to the mid-40s. So on the desert floor, what do we have? Temperatures here, you know, low 60s, upper 50s, west winds, 35 to 45 miles per hour. I got out the lightning icon, 50. The low, 50% chance of showers and maybe a storm. 69 tomorrow, partly cloudy, 20% chance of rain after morning. And then what do we do after this? We heat things up. Low 80s, low to mid 80s for the weekend ahead. Looks pretty good. Kern River Valley numbers also cool tomorrow, 50s and then 80s by the weekend. And in the mountains, bundle up. Mid 40s, snow level dropping down to maybe 5,500 feet, but not a lot of snow.
All right, it's refreshing.
Yeah, it's nice.
Thanks, Colin.